What's up, guys, and welcome to another What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's take a look and see what we got going on at our LATROBE location. We have a Golf R getting a track package on it, and then after these guys are done with it, we're gonna send it over to ceramic and it's gonna get a one-step polish. Over here, Max is working on a brand new X5. This baby's getting a full Expel wrap and then a Expel Fusion 4-year plus coating. Back behind us, we're finishing up a project here. This just has to get the bumpers put back on it. This got a full vinyl wrap. It was a white gloss and we changed it to a flat black. Caleb's over here working on a premium coating on a brand new Volvo. This is our 8-year Expel Fusion coating. Beside Caleb is this beautiful orange and black Harley Davidson. This one's getting an Expel 4-year coating. Over here in the tip bay, we got T. He's actually getting ready to throw the back window on this BMW, so I'm gonna help him with it real fast. He's doing a full XR tint job on this. They're going with 20%, and it's gonna block out a little bit of the heat as well. Coming outside, we have this black CLA. The customer just bought this from the dealership, and the paint's a little beat up from the previous owner, so we're gonna do a one-step polish on the whole thing, getting it looking black again and fresh. Then onto this brand new BMW X7. I absolutely love these cars. This is getting a Expel Fusion 4-year coating, and beside it is a GMC. T's getting ready to finish that Mercedes, and he's gonna pull that in. That's gonna get a full XR all the way around. And I believe that's all we have going on here at our LATROBE shop. Let's kick it over to Gibsonia and see what those guys are doing.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Back in the back, we have a Raptor R. This was in for a full stealth wrap. As you can see, this is now a satin white finish vehicle. So full wrap on this vehicle. We did some Ultimate Plus, so gloss accent pieces on the front, where it says Ford and a few other small areas, but it's a whole new looking vehicle. We also tinted the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tinted back windows. Up on the lift, we have a Jaguar F-Type. This too is in for a full wrap. You can see the edge of the film overhanging here, about a 1/4 of an inch. That way we can let that dry and wrap it today. We're gonna be protecting the whole vehicle in our 8mm Ultimate Plus paint protection film, tinting the side windows and the back window, and topping off the entire vehicle with a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over here we have Mark doing his thing on this Acura MDX. Black paint, once again, really tough to maintain. So we did a full paint correction on this vehicle, rid it of any kind of swirls, scratches, factory imperfections, and we are now coating it. We're coating the entire vehicle except for the wheels. Next up for a full wrap is this Rivian R1S. The paint color on this is L Cap, and it's gonna be getting a full stealth paint protection film wrap. We are also tinting all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR Plus window tint, and topping off the entire vehicle in our 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Outside, we have a couple completed jobs. This one Ian just pulled outside. It is a new Ioniq 5. We tinted all the side windows and the back window of this, along with the visor, in our Prime XR Plus 5% tint. And over here's a new Ram. So we also do partial protection kits. Not very often, but we do offer it. You can see this is about the size of a bug shield. If you catch it in the right light, you can see a line right about there. So a very small piece, but protects that high-risk area on this new Ram. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
We're here in our tinting station. We have this lovely 2024 BMW M4 Comp. Customer came in for some tinting, went with 20% Expel, really popping off with this white and black color combination. Over in our PPF bay, we have this 2022 Bentley Flying Spur. This is the W12 edition. Customer did a full front clip on this, went with 8mm Expel, of course. We also have this 2023 Bronco Badlands edition. Customer came in for a full front clip, also doing the full ceramic coating, 4-year Fusion coating to be exact. Really cool color combination with this truck. We also have this brand new 2024 Lamborghini Huracan Technica. This is in for a full wrap, ceramic coating, and full ceramic tints.